Good day, everyone, and we are the group here that we're going to present or propose our title. I have here our co-researchers. By the way, my name is Kyle Felizarta, together with my co-researchers, Sarvanya Nash, Navales Desiree, Tabon John Brent, Tawi John Denver, and lastly, Miss Johnson Roslyn. And for the topic that we chose here, this is actually all about the effectiveness of red rice as crust for pizza. And the whole title itself is the effectiveness of using red rice for the crust of pizza for Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in home economics, specifically to the first to third year students of Eulogio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology. So pizza became one of the most comfort food that we chose to eat rather than any other food because of its flavorful meat, toppings, savory sweet sauce, topped with rich meat toppings, fatty cheese, pepperoni, and sausages. And that's why pizza became a favorite of many people around the world. And it's hard to find someone who doesn't like pizza because it appears everywhere and at dinners, parties, and even on a casual midnight snack while we're watching movies. But as time progressed, many consumers became aware of negative effects of fatty foods on their health. Due to the health risks of consuming too much pizza, they became conscious of their health and it made them want to have a good nutrition diet to keep physically healthy. As a result, we or the researchers conducted a study reformulating the traditional ingredient of pizza to make it a healthier option. We have developed a red rice crust pizza using red rice for the crust of pizza that provides unique and alternative texture and provide and compared to traditional pizza crust which can be beneficial for our health. And we actually have here the objectives of why we chose this study. Objectives and specific questions as well, which will be discussed by Mr. John Brent Tapon.
Hi, good morning, good day. My name is Jonathan Tabon, and here's our objective for making this research. First one is to identify the effectiveness of using red rice for making pizza crust. Second, to assess the cost effectiveness of red rice based crust versus the traditional dough in terms of ingredients, production time, and consumer cost. Third is to study the nutritional benefits of using red rice compared to conventional pizza dough, including calorie content, fiber, and other key nutrients. And here's the specific questions. First one is what is the difference between the typical pizza crust and the rice pizza crust regarding the quality of food? Second, what are the nutritional differences between rice-based and wheat-based pizza crust? Third and last, how well does a rice-based pizza crust hold toppings compared to traditional crust? And here's Miss Johnson Rosalie to discuss W questions.
Doing this answer, and I'm gonna discuss why researchers choose this study. How researchers agree to conduct this research to address the effectiveness of using rice for making pizza crust. Then, who will be our respondents? Our respondents will be the first to third year students of Bachelor of Technology in Livelihood Education, majoring in Home Economics of Eulogio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology, where we will conduct our research. We will conduct our research inside our school, the Eulogio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology. So after this, the researchers will discuss some specific specific areas on this process. Let's have the first one, which will be discussed by Mr. Silverio.
Good morning. Um, Now I will proceed with discussing the significance of our study. So, according to the title of the research itself, it would benefit not only the school in determining the effectiveness of red rice as a crust for pizza, but also the people, especially pizza lovers. By offering a new and healthier twist to their favorite food, this innovation could introduce a unique taste and texture to pizza, making it an exciting option for health conscious consumers. It could also give the school a chance to focus more on student learning and innovation, enhancing their capabilities. Furthermore, it could contribute positively to the food industry by offering a more efficient and healthier alternative. Now that I've discussed the significance of our study, I would like to call Mr. John Denver Pawi, who will continue by explaining the scope of our research.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Frank. Alright, good morning to all of you. And so now I will discuss the scope of research topic, and the scope was assigned to me. So what is the scope of the study? So considering the title itself, researchers are only referring the effectiveness of red rice for crust pizza by looking into the lens of Julio Amar Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology, home economics students. The data collection will be collected with sample products to 80 students from first to third year level who will represent as population of the study. Think, next is limitation of study and will be discussed by Ms. Desiree Navales.
Thank you so much and good morning again. So I'm Miss Navales and I will be discussing the limitation of the study. So according to the title itself, the research will not cover about the impact of the red rice to the other innovations. So furthermore, students who has not the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in home economics is not part of the process and will not be part of the scope for this research. So to conclude, may I call on again Mr. Servania to end this virtual title proposal. Thank you so much.
In closing, our study on using red rice for pizza crust, it aims to provide a healthier alternative without losing the taste. We hope this research can inspire more innovation in food and help promote their eating habits. Thank you for your time and attention, and we welcome any questions or feedback. Thank you.